welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add members to Spotify Premium family. It's really simple and easy. First of all, you have to open any browser. Then you have to search for spotify.com/account and then tap on the first website. You need to log into your account. It is very easy. Click on these three lines and you are going to sign in. Once you are signed in, scroll down and you have to tap on this manage your subscription. You have to scroll down and tap on this manage members. It's going to tell you to add your home address. So just click on enter your home address. Once you enter it, you need to enter the address of your home. So I'm going to be using this address. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you need to click on find address. Once you click on find address, you need to confirm it. So note that it's only people that stay in the same location with you that you can add to the family plan. Just click on confirm. And as you can see, we have added it successfully. So the next thing is invite family member. So click on that. Once you click on invite family members, just scroll down and you are going to invite someone. So you can also copy this link and send it to the person. So let's click on invite someone. And you can see you can share it directly to the person. So once they click on the link, they will be able to join the family members. And note that you can only add 5 accounts. So you can only add 5 people in your family to this plan. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.